So hey guys, it's me again Sizzle and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today and this video is we are going to review. Ito ay collab ni Jillian Ward sa Pretty Secrets. Itong kanyang Pretty Secrets sa Mermaid Eyeshadow Palette. So all details and more, just keep on watching. Kilala niyo si Annalyn, si Doktora Annalyn Santos ng Abot Kamay na Pangarap. So, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, it's a parang ito yung currently na ina-airy ngayon sa Drama-Rama sa hapon or sa GMA Afternoon Prime na pinagbibidahan, of course, yung nakipag-collab dito na re-review nating makeup product ay si Jillian Ward sa Pretty Secrets. So, si Jillian Ward, siya si Annalyn Santos. Ang masasabi ko doon sa palabas nila, nako po, sana matapos na. Kaya naman malalaman ni RJ Tanyag na hindi niya anak si Zoe. Ganun. Yan yung inihintay ko. Anyways, so we are going to review her product already. Let's watch it. Yung first two shades. So, this is the nude and brown. Ito yung brown ng pang hindi pantay. Then, this is pink. Ito yung pink. Tapos, yung isa, this is, ito yung blue. Ay, wow! Panalo sa pigment. Hayop. Hayop, panalo sa pigment. Ayan. Pero, etong panalo, pag combine natin, itong glitter na to. Kiss me, mermaid. So, ito yung swatches nitong palette na ito. So, let's start. So, meron ako dito mga few products. I didn't try it. So, this is my first time. Let's try to highlight first. With this one, with this mix. Kung magpapaka-mermaid ba tayo? Oh. I like the mermaid. I like the mermaid. I like the mermaid. The mermaid effect is so pretty and putok na putok sa glitters, ha. Putok na putok sa glitters. The next is we are going to put a palette. The palette itself, we're going to try it. So, maglagay muna tayo dito. Clear. Of course, clear muna. Para bago tayo mag-mermaid. Ay, walang primer yung gamit ko dito kasi gusto ko subukan to kung sulit ba tong 149 pesos with this palette. And then we are going to use another brush. Another one. I'm finding my other brush. Etong brown na to. Let's see. So, parang lagyan natin ng konting brown. Let's see. All the matte shades are so pretty. So, panalo tong palette na ito. Then, let's put pink. Ito, gusto ko pink. Ay, wow. I like the pink one. Namihan lang natin. Pero, hindi siya patchy. Applying it, ha. Hindi siya gano'ng kapatchy. Jillian, I like your collab with Pretty Secrets. And it's affordable eyeshadow that everyone can take it, Doktora. Wow, si Doktora, pinarangalan ko. Then, of course, this one. Lagay natin. Oh. Uy, lumalaban si Blue, ah. Blue, lumalaban ka dito. Lumalaban ang color blue dito. Lumalaban. Lumalaban ng Fez. Lumalaban ng palette mo, Doktora Santos. Para hindi ka awayan ni Zoe. Ayan. Lumalaban siya. In fairness, laban na laban. Laban na laban siya. OMG, I love it. I super duper love it. Ayan. So, final look with this one and I'll be back. Fairness, with this one, I super duper love it. So, sulit na yung 149 pesos para sa palette nito. I would use it again para gumawa ng another mermaid makeup look. Yes. Yes na yes ako dito sa palette na ito. Ayoko lang yung merong parang yung powder na tatapon na dito as is yung pagkabili mo pagkaano sa Watsons natatapon siya. And the swatches are so pretty. My favorite here is the glitter one. Ang ganda ng ano. I can use this as a different dimension of highlighter, and all the shades of the palette are so good and travel friendly na rin for 149 pesos. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya, and God bless, and bye-bye. See you in my next video.